Okay, this one is one we've been to before, and it has it's multiple suite building.
Okay.
So they have just like a common room with all their stuff in it.
Okay.
We got our dishes, our plates.
Right.
From there, and
the vitrified porcelain or whatever it is.
If you have a chance to get some, they are the absolute best.
I haven't chipped a single one. It's been probably several years.
Yeah.
And they're just tough as nails, those things. Well, it's restaurant wear.
It is restaurant wear, and like, well, everybody knows that you
drop everything.
Are rammy.
What? What do you mean?
And even you haven't broken any.
I don't know what you're talking about.
And they've been in the dishwasher.
Yeah.
Many times, and they're still like shiny like they were when we got them.
Yes.
So, I mean, they are great.
Best dishes we ever bought, I think.
Best dishes. I mean, we had nice ones before, but they were all chipped and stuff because they just... Now, there's two buildings side by side.
Yeah, and we always forget which one's which, don't we?
Yeah.
I think it's this one right here.
Yeah.
Sign on it.
It is. So just probably in front of this truck's good.
Are you ready? Uh-oh, there's the baking. I'll be back.
That looks old.
Is it? Wow.
Oh, look at this. Is for a
Oh, yeah.
pocket watch. Yeah, here's the bottom. What's in that one?
Good stuff in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
That is
What is that?
just a little timer. Travel clock.
Yeah.
Got what you wanted there?
I think so. Oh no, I was like, oh, are we on the wrong side? But I guess it doesn't matter. Well, that's flat. Oh, that's like a strainer.
Yep, strawberry
Yeah.
washer.
Yep. Pretty specific.
It is. Don't put your grapes in there.
No.
You might be breaking some laws.
Yeah.
Do you think this is...
Oh, yeah. Fiesta ware?
Yeah.
No. Well, it might be, but it's not mine.
Just shine a light on it, see what happens?
Will it glow?
Well, if it's got uranium on it, it might.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything. Doesn't say Fiesta ware on it.
No. Campbell River. These are interesting. They're pretty minty.
Yeah. And those other ones too, these...
Oh, yeah.
Those are in great shape.
7.
I don't think those have seen a dishwasher.
No. And 5 of those.
Oh, there's only 5.
And only 7.
And 7.
Yeah. Well, it could be 6, I guess.
Nice day today.
Yeah.
Weekend.
Oh, yeah. That last bit of snow just made me so mad. I know, me too. Yeah, exactly.
It's second winter. It's second winter.
So cute.
For a tree?
I guess, yeah, I think
Because
so.
there are clips on the bottom.
But no cord. Are they battery?
They must be battery.
LED candle. Interesting.
I bet you it takes like a AA.
Yeah, probably.
Each one of those.
People
In
told.
previous years, they've had the hot dogs and stuff going over here.
Yeah, they probably will later.
Hot dogs are on the barbecue.
Oh, are they already? Okay. I just remember from previous years. Oh, yeah, I see the buns are out and
Oh, yes.
lunch is being cooked.
What's this?
I can smell the barbecue now.
Yeah. Wow, this is long. What could I use it for? It's a lot of work. I'll get that, I think.
That's your stuff there.
Just need a hand?
Yeah. What do you want to...
Oh, that's just plastic.
Yeah.
I thought it was glass.
No, our other one is plastic, too.
Oh.
I don't know how much that is either. Probably get that.
Sure. For 50 cents.
Yeah. These are old too.
Yeah, there's a pair of them.
Wow, it's a good price.
$10 for a toilet. Wow.
Yeah.
It is a good price.
Oh, these are those tippy,
Oh, yeah.
with the tippy decanter.
Yeah, and the tippy glasses.
Yeah, cool. This cool stuff like that reminds me of like things your mom has.
Yeah. Yeah. Is there any old books behind you there?
Oh, sold on
What'd
here.
you find?
Ooh, these are pretty.
Oh, that's nice with the fluted sides.
Yeah. I don't want.
Are all three of them like
no,
that?
I don't want this one. I don't like this shape.
Okay. But those two?
Let's see here. This one's pretty used. I wonder if I can get that clean. No price. I guess we'll see. I'll see if I can work my magic and you can carry those?
Mm-hmm.
Thank
What
you.
about the books behind you here?
Oh yeah.
Is there anything old that catch your eye?
Get that.
Oh,
My mom-
Petty Point.
My mom likes pansies.
That's why she likes me so much.
That's a weird thing to say.
That's self-deprecating humor. From Angie, are you thinking?
Yeah. Looks like it's in good shape.
There's all these guys too, but
Those are
they're not older.
No, and grab that guy. Looks like they're a set.
Oh yes, I think you're right.
Yeah, so that's good.
They're in good shape
I
too.
need a box or something.
Tammy likes flamingos.
Oh yeah, she'll love that.
Yeah, she wants that. I know it.
These remind me of it's just fine porcelain. It's not
Oh, of our
vitrified. Yeah.
dishes.
Maybe that one. It's only 50 cents. I don't see any old books.
Okay.
Do you?
Not really.
Are these just all? Should look in the fabric
Okay.
boxes over here. It's an old quilt. Look, it's all shredded at the edges.
Oh yeah.
Looks like. Look at that.
Finding some stuff there?
Maybe. Look how bright that is.
Yeah.
Oh, they're.
That's nice. But I like the embroidery stuff.
I know, but it's like.
Is it not a nice feeling fabric?
No.
I don't have any free fingers, so I can't feel it.
It's
I
like
trust your judgment.
nylon. Like this one's linen, but. This, yeah, those are nice, eh?
Yeah, see ya.
But what would we do with them? It's not big enough to be a towel. That's what I like to use them for. Oh, maybe it is.
Well, look who it is.
I know who you are.
Oh,
I've watched the videos.
thank you.
As soon as I seen you guys, I'm like, oh, I know where they're from. I seen the truck out.
Yeah, I figured you guys probably recognized the truck and knew we were in here. No, nothing?
No. Okay. Wow.
All right.
So we see everything? I think so.
I think so.
I love watching you guys.
Well, thank you.
Thanks.
Because I love seeing some of the stuff you find. I'm like, oh my God.
Yes.
We love collecting that old stuff, so.
Yeah. Well, I think we're causing a traffic jam here.
It's a lot of fun
Yeah,
watching you
thank
guys.
you. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you. Go with that aisle.
Okay.
those. I think there was a third one, like another. Oh no, there is.
Yeah, it's there. Yeah, that is a big mirror.
Yes. I think the friend that I have that is doing a mirror wall wants ones with the gold frame all the way around.
Oh, okay.
She did send me some pictures. It looks so good. It's old.
Oh yeah. 10 cents.
Yeah, look at that. All right.
Okay.
Good morning. How are you this morning?
Are you on the move already?
Yeah, I think so. Okay. Some things didn't have a price. And this one, the price is inside here.
$2. 50.
And these didn't have prices.
$2?
Sure.
These are nice balls.
Yeah,
That's going to be a nice day.
I think so. We deserve it, don't we, after the winter? And that late snow on May 1st?
Make it 6 and we're even.
Okay. Thank you, thank you.
I'll let you.
Yeah, I have a...
I'm good, we're good, we're good.
Stick them in here. And I found all the breakable stuff.
These are heavy.
Well, we got another bag.
That I have more too, if I need them. But I think that.
Oh, nice.
Gotta carry that without chipping anything.
I know.
Tell you, squirrels are good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Carry that.
Yeah, we'll carry these last two.
Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. We gotta make a quick stop
You want
here.
to stop at the baking?
Okay, what do we got? Oh my God.
I know, that's the best one. Oh, and your
Yeah, I'm just gonna get a couple puffed wheats, I think, or Rice Krispie. I mean,
Yeah.
They're 50 cents, are they?
Yeah.
Give you that. Grab a
Get
couple.
the two biggest ones.
Yeah. Oh, knocked one out. All right. I think I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Decoy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay.
That's always a good one. I like that.
Yeah, we do well there.
Yeah. They always have interesting things.
They do.
So, I wonder if we should come back tomorrow. She said they're going to put more stuff out.
Oh, we definitely could
Yeah.
come back and do a quick run around.
Yeah. Oh. It's too bad that I didn't still have... Remember I had those lights that
I
were,
know, yeah, the flamingo lights.
Like, why'd you keep it a secret all this time?
Seriously. I didn't know she liked flamingos till just recently.
Yeah.
So she'll like that. No, that's not a chip. It's just a flaw.
I could probably resell this, though.
You probably could. She'd be pretty upset that
How would she know?
she watches.
Does she?
Well, not every video.
Yeah, like literally all the breakable things. No. There's no more room.
There's always room for those.
Okay.
Okay?
Are you ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
On to the next.
Okay.
Okay. Let's keep going.
Yeah.